Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Afterpay on Best Buy. Now it's very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch the tutorial right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the search bar and just type in Best Buy and then go ahead and click enter. Now as you can see, the first result that pops up is actually for Best Buy gift cards. So this is the way that we will be able to do this. So you just want to click on it to open up this page. And what we'll actually have to do is buy this Best Buy gift card, which we can then go over to the Best Buy website. And then when we are checking out, we can choose to pay with a gift card. And then although Afterpay and Best Buy aren't officially integrated with each other, you can still do it via this method. So what you have to do is first choose the amount that you are looking to buy. It does range from $10 down to $500, so you do have quite a lot of option. So choose which amount you want and then choose whether you want to buy for yourself or send to a friend. I'm assuming most of you are going to be buying for yourself, so click on this button here and then you can just buy these gift cards like you normally would buy anything else. So what you can do from there is head over to the Best Buy website and you want to actually get those codes that have been emailed to you from the gift cards, and then from there, when you are at the checkout on Best Buy, you will be able to use these gift cards to actually pay for whatever you are looking to buy. So at the moment, this is the only way in which you can use Afterpay on Best Buy. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.